Hey folks, today we're going to explore what a mind map is all about. In just 60 seconds, you're going to understand the power of this incredible tool. Point 1, visual thinking tool. A mind map is a visual thinking tool that helps you organize and connect ideas. It also allows you to create a structured representation of your thoughts on a single page. Point 2, central topic and branches. A mind map typically starts with a central topic in the center of the page. From there, you branch out with subtopics, creating a hierarchical structure of information, like what you see here. Point 3, boost creativity and memory. A mind map enhances creativity and memory retention. By using colors, icons, and images, you engage both sides of your brain, making learning more effective. So start organizing your thoughts, unleashing your creativity, and transforming the way you learn inside the Ville. Yeah, the online community that engineer beautiful mind maps to love life more. Can you dig it? I'm sure you will. Peace.